everyone. Today we will discuss the Sungai Kim Kim pollution tragedy and the lesson we can learn from it. March 219, Pasir Gudang, Johor experienced one the world environment disaster in Malaysia. More than 60,000 people, mostly students, suffering from breathing difficult, vomiting, and fainting after inhaling toxic gas from chemical waste and was illegally dumped into Sungai Kim Kim. This case was not just an accident. It showed a fail in ethics and industry waste management. Today, we investigate how an unacceptable industry system affects human health and the environment.
On that day, the smell was very strong and unpleasant. My daughter came home from school feeling sick, vomiting and later fainted. Until today, we still feel worried whenever it rains heavily. The river that once supported our life was badly damaged. Who should take responsibility?
To understand how this happened, let's hear from our green technology expert, Dr. Shil.
Many industry in Pasir Gudang follow a linear industrial system. In the Sungai Kim Kim case, industry process raw materials such as recycled oil, but they also produce toxic waste containing chemicals like benzene, toluene, xylene, and limonene. In a linear system, waste is often seen as having no value. Instead of paying the high cost of proper treatment, irresponsible party choose to dump the waste into the river. The chemical react with heat and water, producing toxic gas that spread to nearby school and residential area. This is a clear example of waste harming the environment.
Okay, Mr. Akil, as an industry representative, how could something like this happen? Did profit become more important than safety?
Honestly, competition in industry is very strong. The cost of disposing scheduled waste legally is high. Some unethical companies use illegal contractors because they are cheaper. There are no waste after it leaves the factory.
As engineers and scientists have a responsibility to protect public health, safety, and welfare, allowing illegal waste disposal goes against important ethical values such as responsibility, transparency, and accountability. The community should never be put at a risk.
Okay, so what is the solution? How can industry ecology prevent another Sungai Kim Kim tragedy?
I think the solution is to move from a linear economy to a circular economy through industrial symbiosis. Chemical waste should not simply be thrown away. For example, waste solvent from one factory it can be treated and used as fuel or raw material for another factory. So we need a closed loop system where the waste from one industry become useful for another industry.
We support stricter environmental audits and real-time digital waste tracking technology. Investing in green technology not only protects the environment but also reduces long-term costs.
The Sungai Kim Kim tragedy is an important lesson for everyone. Industry waste should not be seen as the end of a process, but as a resource that can be reused when managed properly.
As future professional engineers and scientists, it is our ethical responsibility to build industry that are not only profitable but also safe for people and the environment. A sustainable future start with the ethical decision we make today.
That's all from us. Bye.
Bye.